April 10th, the Jupiter goes retrograde. Now, many of you all would be wondering, as we have spoken about retrogrades, that how things come to a standstill, especially those things that are affected by the particular planets. Now, Jupiter, we always talk about expansion. It expands, expansion in your negative, and expansion in your positive, depending upon how you think. But now when Jupiter goes retrograde does not mean that your winnings will stop or your benefits will stop. In fact, on the contrary, there are very lucky people who are born with Jupiter retrograde in their natal chart. And now also when Jupiter is going retrograde, or it's going to go retrograde from April 10th onwards, you will realize that you are confronting lucky breaks in life. So what my notes imply is that on the contrary, when Jupiter is going retrograde, there are very lucky people or lucky breaks that you get during this time. But what this retrograde really implies is that the native regards fate as fickle and has long resigned to the notion that it is ultimately up to the individual to create his own luck. And that's exactly what I have been advocating, that life is what you make it. Life is how you color it. So when Jupiter goes retrograde, you actually come to the realization that it is up to an individual's thoughts of how your life is going to be. So many born or many undergoing this influence seem to experience more mixed blessings than luck. Just when you get a lucky break and become hyped up with the excitement that life is finally taking you somewhere, the cosmos interferes and everything seems to come to a standstill. It looks as though the cosmos is playing games and is actually playing a practical joke on you, because you were so convinced that the things are going bright finally for you, and then it comes to a standstill. What happens in reality is that Jupiter is forcing you to question yourself whether you are really worth when there is a crisis around faith. When good things are happening to you, rather than fearing that, oh, good things are happening to me, I hope this lasts. Now, I hope this lasts means that you don't have faith in your own potentials, means that you don't have faith in your own talents, and you don't feel worthy of the good things happening to you. You don't feel deserving, that yes, you deserve it. So it is mind over your body, and it is also faith over your belief. You have to believe and you have to trust your hard work, you have to trust your potentials, you have to trust your talents, you have to trust yourself that I am paving my way for success. Since I have paved my way for the hard working, now these are the things, good things that are happening to me, and I'm sure this future is also going to be good for me because I'm working with my purity of intent. Jupiter going retrograde, no need to fear if the things have come to a standstill. No need to feel that everything was going good. Now why it has come to a standstill. Basically, it is again that you need to rethink yourself. You need to feel that you are deserving about it, and you need to feel that it is not a stroke of luck. See, many of us actually, when Jupiter is there in our chart, or when things are going very correct, we tend to say these words, oh, I'm getting these lucky breaks. Now, a person like me would say, I have worked towards it, and the opportunities is what I have created, because my intentions are very pure. So the opportunities are always there, but you must remember individuals create opportunities, and always the reality of the mind manifests. And if you're sitting alone and you're thinking that this was my lucky break and I cashed in on it, basically is a negative thought. But if you think on it, my hard work has really paid off, is again the faith in yourself which will manifest, and the future will be, I would say, consistent. So on a personal level, people are more inclined to turn inward for the answers, instead, as this period favors personal development and inner growth. In preparation for the opportunities that occur when the Jupiter turns direct. So the lucky breaks come in form of introspection, in form of your own self-belief, and then when Jupiter turns direct, you will see again the lucky opportunities that you had created when they were in retrograde have now been set into motion. It is not a favorable time for speculations, investments or gambling, as winning the odds may prove to be an uphill task. That is the only thing that you need to be warned when the Jupiter is going retrograde.